And now we have another type of array which we can call associative array or named array. We can pass a name instead of this index. Let me create associative array. $AR, an array. In this array will be square brackets, and this array is working like in JavaScript we have JSON data. In object we have property, then we have value. In here we have key and we have value. Like for example, I want to pass the key will be name, this should be as a string, and then we have bracket sign, equal sign, then greater than. This is the equal sign in associative array. The name will be Ahmad, this will be as a string, and then put here a comma, and we will have another name by the name of age, and equal sign, age will be 25, then put here a comma, and then maybe we will have address, and equal sign, write your address, like for example GFT, maybe this will be your address. You can get data from this array with the help of name, like for example war_dum, and we will have $ARR, this array, and pass here square brackets. In this square brackets you can write name, age, address instead of 0, 1, 2, 3 that we had before this array. Now I want to get the name. Just write name, save the changes, and refresh the page. Yeah, we have Ahmad. Or I want to change this to age because I need the age. Save the changes. We will have integer value in 25. This is the age. Or I want to change this age to address. Save and refresh. We have address GFT. This is the associative array in PHP that you can use for many purposes.